In this video, we explain how to apply Epifanes Mono-Urethane to a polyester surface. This product is suitable for use by both professionals and consumers. Epifanes Mono-Urethane is a hard, one-component paint available in 24 standard colors. The extra UV filter makes it an exceptionally durable paint. As you can see, this panel has already been painted. We are therefore going to apply a maintenance coat in a new color. If you are changing the color significantly, or if there is any damage, it is advisable to first apply 1 or 2 coats of Epifanes Multimarine Primer. First, we degrease the surface with Epifanes 1C Spray Thinner. Now we sand the surface with P240. After sanding, it is important to clean the panel again to remove all dust. Also, change your t-shirt and do not paint in the clothes you wore while sanding. Stir the paint well with a stir stick, scraping the bottom thoroughly. Apply the paint with a foam roller. You can also apply the paint with a felt roller, but we always recommend tipping the paint with a brush. Make sure the roller is well saturated with paint and apply it. We first apply the paint in one direction. Then we roll the paint evenly. Gently spread the paint in one direction for a nice finish. For maintenance, we always recommend applying 2 coats for the best UV protection. Allow the paint to dry for 24 hours between coats. It is advisable to allow the paint to cure thoroughly for several days before subjecting it to stress. The longer you wait, the stronger the paint will be. Visit our website for more information. Then go to Select a Product, Yachting, Paints, and Mono-Urethane. Here you will find a step-by-step system structure depending on the surface. Any questions can be directed via the contact form.